Alright, what's up guys? So we are going to be doing the Byrna LE. I just got back, but I'm going to be using a Sig Sawyer CO2. It's a little bit cooler, the CO2. It's probably about, I'm guessing around maybe 68 degrees, 67 degrees. Yesterday's CO2 room temperature was probably about 70, 72. So a little bit difference, but anyway, let's see how this works. Let's see what numbers we get. And I am going to be doing a Byrna Kinetics 7-round mag and then 10 shots just to see what the average is. So let's see what happens. I'm kind of expecting for the numbers to be a little bit lower just because the CO2 isn't as warm. So, yeah, these allergies kicking my ass. Here we go. Okay, no air leak, no round fell out. Here we go. Oh. Okay, I forgot to take it off safe. I'm used to that EP now. After not having the LE. Here we go. Ooh, 431. Okay, so slightly lower because it's a little colder. But that's not bad. That is not bad. Okay. Now that dropped quite a bit. Yeah, it's dropping quite a bit, but steady, looks like. Okay. Well, the numbers are staying pretty steady. So either way, you know, I'm gonna explain something to you guys in another video that a lot of you probably aren't aware of or maybe never even thought of. And it's one of those things where pretty much it could be right, it could be wrong. So, but here's the last 3 rounds and let's check the average. So 10 shots total. Okay. So that'll be 10 shot, and then of course you guys watch my channel, they go back, so 8, 7. For me, the first 7 shots is all I'm going to count because I'm going for the face if I need to. I'm not telling you to do that. That's what I'm going to do. 6 shot. And I could probably put a little oil in here. It's probably running slightly dry, even though they're cycling fine. And like I said, temperature makes a difference. So the high was 431, the low 273, and what's the average? So slightly lower in average by literally 9 feet per second, which is barely nothing. So far, I would have to say the gun is still, the launcher, not gun, the launcher is still functioning very well. So I'm going to be doing some more shooting later tonight. May or may not make a video on that, but watch out for another video with a different kind of CO2 coming soon in the LE. So like, share, subscribe.